Heather Wainer, publisher of WholeFoods Magazine.
I'm Jon Roesser, General Manager of Weaver's Way Co-op here in Northwest Philadelphia.
And we're here today to present the Retail of the Year Award to Weaver's Way Co-op. This is our 30th Retail of the Year Award, so we're very proud to be giving it to Weaver's Way today. This is the first time we've ever done it at a store. We've always done it we started doing it at the MTA show, which at that point was the NNFA. And then we've done it at Expo East. And now our new home is at the Soho Expo, which unfortunately we can't be there today. And we are presenting Jon today with his award of the Retail of the Year. Jon, congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
They are the 2020 Retail of the Year, Weaver's Way Co-op, and you can read all about it in the November issue of WholeFoods Magazine. Congratulations, Jon, and your whole team here at Weaver's Way.
Well, we're very pleased to accept it. Thank you so much.